Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer your Zest Money credit balance to your bank account in 2025. If you've been using Zest Money for your buy now pay later needs, you know how handy it is for managing credit and making purchases. But what if you want to cash out that balance? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. This guide is based on the latest updates for 2025, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Zest Money app or website ready. Zest Money is a popular financial service that lets you borrow for shopping and repay in installments. To begin, open the app on your smartphone or log in to the website using your registered email or phone number and password. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard where you'll see your available credit balance. Now, navigate to the Wallet or Balance section. It's usually easy to find with a quick search or by checking the menu. Here, look for the option that says Transfer to Bank or something similar. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your bank details. This is crucial, so double check that you have your account number, IFSC code, and any other required information handy. Remember, for security reasons, Zest Money might ask for additional verification like a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered mobile number. After entering your details, review the transfer amount. Zest Money might have a minimum transfer limit or some fees, so keep an eye on that. Typically, it's around 1 to 2% in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. The transfer usually processes within 24 to 48 hours, but it can vary based on your bank. And that's it, you've successfully moved your funds. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always ensure your Zest Money account is in good standing with no outstanding dues, as this could block transfers. If you run into any issues, check the help section or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay smart with your money. See you next time.